Every Amazon influencer wants more visibility, more clicks, and more commissions. The secret? It's not just creating content, it's knowing which products will actually perform. And that's where Viral View comes in. Viral View uses a viral score built from 25 plus data points to show you which products are likely to go viral. That means you're not just guessing, you're reviewing items with proven demand. It also tracks your video placement so you can see exactly which of your videos land in the top carousel, where the sales happen. And with tools like the storefront scanner and competitor insights, you can spot gaps in your niche and position your storefront to win. Add TikTok integration and automated brand deals, and Viral View gives influencers an all-in-one growth system. Want to grow smarter, not harder? Use the link in my description to sign up for Viral View today and start turning your storefront into a revenue machine.